Okay, doing good internal audits to ISO 9001. We do a lot of internal audits for companies and we do training. You can also, of course, do your own internal audits. There's the definition, internal auditing. Well, I'll tell you an example of what's not working very well. The registrars tell me this, they're auditors. They go in and they see people hand them one page, very simple, here's my internal audit of this area. And they just have no confidence in what was done there. Perception is reality. There's no packet of what was done there. You may have done a really good job, but it's just not coming across in a very simple one-page report. So here's what I recommend. You hand them a packet which has a couple of pages, a report of who you talked to, what area you audited, what day you did this on, what sections of the standard you went through, and what did you find? Good, bad, or ugly, everything there. Then attached behind that is your checklist, which can be anywhere from 5 to 15 pages of questions with your notes in there of what you actually found and who you talked to. And I also recommend a little bit of coffee spilled on it, maybe some grease smudges to help. It makes it believable. I was really out there doing things, along with backups of copies of good examples of things being done right. For example, a purchase order, a company order, a calibration certificate. Get copies of things that prove it's evidence of what you were doing proper. So your packet, you want to have all of those things in there. Your two-page report, your checklist with notes, all the copies of evidence. And remember, auditing is really about 2 E's. Yes, the letter E. Evidence and effectiveness. You're looking for evidence. And then you have to make a judgment as an auditor of how effective that was. And notice when the registrar writes you up for a nonconformance, they'll normally say something was not effective. So remember those 2 E's. That'll help you a lot in internal auditing.